Hey guys, today is the 7th of September 2016, Wednesday. Just making this quick trade here. Hopefully it works and it'll be one and done. I waited for this bar right here for a pullback and then I entered in just because you can see it's moving in a down direction. So I'm just trading the trend. And also before I even did that, I try to figure out where areas of supply might potentially go to. So as you can see, I'm finding support there. So really 4450 was the natural number that I was looking for, but um, I was trying to front run this. So I figured, it broke out of this level right here. So it might reverse this on that area. So if anything, I'll just um, I'll just put it to break even plus one. So if it stops me out, it stops me out. This thing is only 3 minutes. This bar is only 3 minutes old. So I might have a chance here for 20 ticks. So, but it's moving fairly strong. So I don't know how if whether I'm gonna survive this. But um, um, see, 52 is the low of this. So I was trying to front run it. I should have put it at 55, but my entry wasn't the greatest. So um, if that happens, I might be able to get a little bit more out of this one. Um, no, I'll just be disciplined and I'll make 20 ticks. That's all I'm gonna oh, wanting to go for anyways. So hopefully it just doesn't stop me out because retracement is I think it's like 14 ticks or something. 12 ticks, so 55, 65. About 12 ticks is retracement, so 65, 1, 2, about right here. So it's close to potentially stop me out here. So, anyways, you got about 5 minutes for this candle to form. So, uh, I'm just gonna keep it, I guess. If I get stopped out, it's a winning trade, anyways. Anyways, not much going on. Very quiet. No economic news happening. Let's see. Let's look at Forex Factory. I don't think there is anything really very interesting. You got foreign currency reserve. Oh, that's for China. Sorry, FOMC 9 a.m. But I guess he's not so significant as Yellen. Jolt's job opening. That's crap. And Beach book. Not much going on. Tomorrow is the biggest one, so I think today is going to be a sideways action, which I should really take some profit at this point. Hmm. Yeah, I missed it by a few ticks there, 3 ticks. It's okay. I'm sorry, guys. Still sick. I'm actually gonna see a doctor tomorrow, so um, hopefully this is my one and done type trade today. Um, Certainly don't want to pay for the. Yeah, I think it's gonna reverse. If it takes me out, I'll just try to find another entry. It's okay. Yep, sure does. And watch, it's gonna keep going down here. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is my third trade for today. I'm trying to chase this big one. I got in and for a stop limit order right here at 20. It's going up over here. Didn't want to guess how far it'll go up, so I just put a stop limit. So I figured if it's wanting to go down, that it'll I might just take a 10.
Can't make up my mind here. We'll see. It's fairly strong, as you can see. I mean, it stopped me or didn't make my target, then reverses completely. And I was trying to fade the move, and I couldn't get the right price. So finally, I said, okay, well, I'm gonna take this one right here and see what happens. But I got a feeling this thing might go up just a little bit more and then stop me out here again. So let's see. And there is a huge seller right here at 127. So I guess if this bar closes above 45.10, that might find support there, because I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. You can see there's a level there for support. So we'll see. I mean, if it cracked that lower, then I might have a chance here for making this 30 tick target. Actually, I should just put it at 45. Seems like I might find support here. So anyhow, I'll pause the video. I can't talk all that much. Okay, guys, I just went ahead and I'm gonna lock this in at 10 tick profit here, just because I gotta get something. Looks like it's gonna reverse and come get me, but actually there is an entry at 12, so if anything, I'll just re-enter, but I'd like to lock this in. Actually, that's resistance too, so I think I might be too close. Just move this to... No, we'll just lock 10, that's fine. I got a feeling this thing might take me out at 10. It'll reverse at 12 here. Watch it'll do that. But anyways, I just really wanted to finish this trade, just because just not feeling too hot right now. Anyhow, okay, well, I'll just come back. Okay, guys, I just took a 20 tick target on that one. I think I've lost a few ticks from the second entry. So, oh man, this is gonna make me mad. It's gonna go to 90. I just know it. Anyways, coulda, woulda, shoulda. It was moving real good. If you look at the 1 minute chart, I mean, it's just stair stepping now, as you can see right there. And I just took a $45 target. I think it's gonna go to 90. See, around this area, see, got rejected there and just broke out of that area. So really, my expectation was to go, it'll go back and retest that level. Right now, it's fairly moving real fast to the upside. So being an inside day, I'm just trying to take what I can get. So 20 ticks, I can't complain on that trade. It was really a good trade. So I'm going to sit here and just wait for the next opportunity. So the key today was really I was really trying to fade the move here, thinking, hey, it's close to I thought it was just going to stop here and then just move to the downside, right? But that didn't quite happen. It just broke out of that one. So I've seen this pattern before, and normally what would happen is that it'll just break. You would think all these places are levels of resistance, and then you'll just plow through it and then just make a new high. So I was really very cautious of what I was doing, because I got, as you saw, I got stopped out on the first trade, and on the second trade I got stopped out with my full loss. And then this time around, I was cautious. I didn't know if it was going to shoot higher, so I placed a stop limit order. And then, like I mentioned, I figured if it was going to go down, it's going to bump its, the price is going to hit me as it's going down. So that's what I did essentially. As you can see, this thing just made a low of 92. So my target could have almost gotten hit, but I think you might even hit to 85 around this area. I mean, this is too obvious. So, this area even, around the 80 level. But like I said, if you're in a trade, um, I almost got taken out over here for that 20 tick target that I was trying to target and didn't quite make it. So I figured I learned my lesson and try to lock in that 20 ticks, right? So I learned my lesson from this move. So I was a little bit more aggressive right when you get around 20 ticks, because if you recall from my study, I mean, right now at 8 o'clock, sweet spot's it's about 20 ticks. So, and if you look at each of these bar, they're all 17, 22, so anywhere from 15 to 20, right? So this one's actually 30 ticks, and that's 26, so it gets larger and larger. So anyway, so what made this one successful is because I knew, as you can see, this thing during the Globex session is trying to climb up, and around this price level you can see it's not making any higher high, and this is its final attempt, and as you can see, it got completely rejected there, and at this level it's slid down. So one thing that I didn't do is what I should have done is just waited around this level, but I started participating in this area, which was kind of foolish. But I mean, it's part of trading. You just know your risk, and you take, or with the known risk and known target, you just take it and see what happens. I mean, when you're wrong when you get taken out of the market. So and that's what I did here too. So but I was a little bit more clever with my entry. Entry is such a it's part, it's almost art. There's not really science to it. You just have to get smart with it, I guess, is the deal. So anyways, I think I'm just gonna try to wait. And I mean, I'm not really feeling all that good, so I'm just gonna stop the video here. I might even just call it a day today and be happy with what I've got. I think it's just going to be a sideways action, so you almost have to buy the high and sell the lows. But being an inside day, I mean, you can almost bet that it might just play around at this level, 45.42 to 44.55. So anyhow, all right. Well, if you're getting anything out of this video, I'd appreciate you clicking the like button, and if you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Anyways, y'all have a good one. If you have any questions that I might able to help you with, just drop me a line. Until then, I see you guys on the next video. Take care.